Whakalawhai atu, hane hado tolu atau wala tala tutupu ke lata ia moe pōdia pōnei. Greetings and whakalawhai atu, these are our news for tonight. Hoko mai e hukui ha saina ne nofu ki Nisilani ke whakatutala moe whakawheleweia moe whakatawhanoha ni we. Chinese ambassador was on island to present her credentials to the government. Kua tupu e tahale kua ki mua he mālea wakalele, si kua pāwhakaku e puhala tū. An accident last week caused a temporary close-off of the main road. Hoko mai e tau insinia ke tau se tau kumikumianga ke lata mo e tau puhala tū he motu. Engineers were on island to conduct investigations on the roads. Ke whaetap kua moale ne kua hoko mai e hukui e whakatawhanoa saina, ne kua nofo ki New Zealand ko e lilifu ko Miss Wu Zi, ke whakawheleweia me matua palemia, ko Sir Taketalangi pia me whakatawhanoha ni we. Ko whakamoali e whakawhetuianga he tau whakatawhanoa ne uaha ni we mo saina, he mahina o ke tapa ua whe mai fitu. Kua Wofurumavalu e tau ha Miss Wu Zi, he ngahua ko e hukui he whakatawhanoa saina ke he tau motu tunga Australia, Amerika, Iraq moe longa tufoki. Ke whaetap kua moale ne kua whakawheleweia a ia moe whalu he tau takitaki ki lote whakatawhano, pia foki moe aonga tokolunga. Kua tufoki lau tolu me anoano atu ke he tau whakaholoanga ne kua whakatupe ai he whakatawhanoa saina. Miss Wu Zi was appointed as the Ambassador Extraordinaire of the People's Republic of China to New Zealand. She also presented her credentials to the Premier Sir Taketalangi in a short ceremony last week. Niue established diplomatic relations with the government of China in October 2007. Ms. Wu Zi has 28 years of experience in her diplomatic career, serving in Iraq, Australia, USA, and many more countries. Her Excellency Ms. Zi departed the island after she met with the prefects of the Niue High School and also some of the officials within government. They also had a brief tour of Chinese-funded projects here on the island. Ke whaetap kua moale ne haia i tale kua ke puala tū I mua he male wakalele. Kua tō e tula mai he tōpele waifu mawha ke whahi he puala tū. Nā kai whetangata ne kua pākia ka kua pāwhakaku e hala mai he tamkotanga ki alofi. Pea mai takita ki e whainga hua transport ko Sonia Talangi ki he mga honei koe kumikumi anga ia e whainga hua ke hele kua ka koe whai anoanoanga ke tau se e tā whakatutalanga me tau tangatanga hua ke hātaki a lo tolu ke aua ni ke tutupu hale kua pēnei he tau ahui mua. Pea mai e takitaki leo leo ko Tony Edwards ko e hahaanga ia ni e tau kumikumianga e whainga hua leo leo ke he tau le kua ni ko tutupu ai ke he whai tapua mole. The main road between Tamkotonga and Alofi was temporarily closed due to an incident last week. The close-off was because a tank container slipped off the back of a heavy machinery truck during transportation. According to the Director of Transport, Sonia Talangi, the department is still looking into the incident, but moving forward, they will be holding discussions with staff members to avoid these types of incidents from happening again. No one was hurt during the incident and the matter is still under investigation, says Chief of Police Tony Edwards. Kua hoko mai e tau insinia mai whakatawhano ha saina ke tau se tau fuafua mo e tau kumikumianga ke lata mai tau puhala tū. Pea mai e takitaki ka Huang King koe whenonga whakamua nei mai he tau whenonga ne longa ngai ani. Koe ka kano he whenonga nei ke kisia e tau koloa ne kua lata tonu ke tamai kai ke kua liu ke tau siai e tau puhala tū. Ke tau whakatutalanga e tau whakatawhano ne ua ko talia ke whakafou whangufuruma ono e kilomita he tau puhala tū I loto alofi a tau whai anoanoanga ke lata me tau maanga I tua. Mai e tau kumikumianga he tau insinia saina ko kisia e tau le kua ne kua nākai hanganga mita ki e tau puhala tū ha kua nākai whai halawai kai ki kua tō e uha. Aha iai whoki e tau whakakuanga me tau koloa ne kua amamanaki ke toka hifo kai ki kua ose tau ngahua he tau se he tau tangata saina ka hahoko mai ke lata mai tau puhala tū. Nā kai la mahino mitaki, koe whihe tupe ne kua amamanaki ke whakamole, ke tau puala tū ka kua amanaki e ngā hua, ke la tamu tau puala tū ke kamata he tau kahau. Engineers from the Chinese government were on island to find out the quantity of materials required to fix the roads. The Chinese government have been holding discussions with the government of Niue about the conditions of the roads and way of moving forward with repairs. According to the head Chinese engineer, Mr. Huang Qing, that the agreement between the two governments was to repair 46 kilometers.
This is our first trip in here. We are representing Chinese government. And we are working on some investigations and measurement, all these project-related works based on the existing road situations. And yes, and there will be more trips coming in. This is the first trip, and and you will see a lot of more workers coming in next year, which means that the construction will start then when you see more Chinese coming in. We are doing this investigation for the step, and then after this trip we're going back, just some additional information for the last words that we're going back to China. We have some domestic processes to go, like to prepare some documentation, complete the designing, and then going for the tendering, and then the construction site. Construction company will be ready. Of course, before that, they need to have some preparation time, and then they will come. But the domestic process is going to take a bit of time. If everything goes smooth, by mid of next year, you should see something really significant happening in here.
The engineers were investigating and found that the core problem for the damaged roads was due to no drainage for the roads for rainwater, which causes the damages on the roads. During their investigations, the engineers have found the type of materials that can withstand the weather conditions on the island.
We have found the root causes why the roads, the situations like this. I mean, the road is damaged like that. We have found the root cause, and so it's a professional team. So also we will come out with a professional design, and the design of the road, it has its lifetime. We will make sure that the design for the road of the lifetime will be sufficient according to our design. And also we will have more staffs. We have equipment. After this job, we will leave staff. We will leave equipment here, and we will make sure that there will be trained people or staff in here, maintain the road, make sure it's in a good condition. We have 2 years. We call it after the project. We have 2 years time that we would maintain. With the staff and equipment to make sure that you maintain the road in a good condition and you people know how to use this equipment.
The team of engineers plans to hold training sessions with locals while the construction of the road starts next year, and when the project is complete, equipment will be left on the island. The road repairs is scheduled to start next year. Ne whakahoko e tā whakaholoanga ke haka whalua tau pepa whakaholoanga, mai whalua tau la whaktuwhono, ngā wia ke he lewekianga mai puipuianga, ke he tau koloa tahi tunge tau tuna, tau pāla mo e tau mango. Ka whakalataha e whainga hua fusika me tau hukui mai mtakau Foreign Fisheries Agency ke whakaholo e tau pepa ngā hua nei mo e lali ke whakatatai mo e whalua tau manako he tau matakau he atu Pasifika. Hakua hūtua i Niue ke tau matakau nei, mai longa tau whainga hua nei e mahuinga e kau whakalatahaanga ke tau whikau nei, ka kano ni he ai tokalonga tau tangata ngā hua, me ai katoa e tau koloa ke langmatai atu ke he ngā hua nei. Ne whamama mai e poe ke sene, taki taha he whainga hua whanua, toa kau fusika ke he kakano he matapatu he whanuanga.
Koe matahua nei ko nāno ka hā ke liu review fo ke palana nei, ke lata e moe whai fisheries ha kono ono ko whai tau whuki te mau nei. Me tau se mai e mataho nei. Pia whuki moe ono atu ke tau mata whakatawhanu e tatola motu ngawe ke whahi fusieka moe plana nei. Ko ingoa e tau mata whakatawhanu haini walata ki muitua ki ai. Po ke lafi ki lunga whuki e tau mata whakatawhanu tuai. Moe taha plana whuki he matola whakawhanga nei ki ono ke he tau manu tunga tau mango ha ke tatola tahi. Tuika tunga tau mango. Ko e taha palana whakanini ko taha mata whuki e whahi fusieka. Pia whuki mo e whahi Forum Fisheries mo e matakau taha whuki SPC. E tau maha kua moli ki tua. Su koe mahuna ki hako nono ki lari ki whakatoa e palana nei. Ke tau mango e lau tau kaha he tatola mata whatawhanu e motu nei ko niwe koe lauia e tau ika nei ko tau mango. Ke rewe ki anga he mata whatawhanu. Si eike rutu koe tau ika whamhaini rutu kaha ke o atu ke fusi ke he mga moana. Ka e whatau here me whuka rutu kaha mo e tau whalo ika ka moa i ke tau matakainanga fusi ki lunga he moana. Mahi ngoa whuka e tau pui anga. Ne ko mai ki hae palana nei ke pui whuka e tau ika nei.
Nā kai lea katoa ia e tau mtanga hua he tau whainga hua nei, kai lalia ia ni ke katoa e tau ngahua nei he tau ahui mua. A 2-day workshop for legislative review of Niue's offshore pelagic fisheries, including a plan of action for sharks, was held at Arlena's last week. Main documents revised include Niue's offshore pelagic plan and regulations, plan of action for sharks with an overall fisheries legislative review. Collaboration in the form of regional cooperation, particularly under the auspices of the Niue Treaty for monitoring, control and surveillance in vital, given the lack of finance, human resources and capacity within government departments across the Pacific region to protect such resources. Such review is required so that Niue does meet some of its obligations to the regional instruments such as that of the Western and Central Pacific Fisheries Commission. We spoke with Mr. Len Rodwell, Fisheries Development Officer from Foreign Fisheries Agency, who informed us of the obvious challenges along with the interest and opportunities presented by the review, including reinforcing Niue's large-scale marine protected areas.
The review provides the opportunity to update the Act. It's a very old Act, and so it's timely that that's being done. I think it's more from the point of view of the management plan. What we intend to have as part of the Pelagic Fisheries Management Plan is a schedule of activities that hopefully we can start to cost out. Now, we haven't started that process yet because we're still in the phase of actually getting the wording of the plan right. Once we've got that right, then we can look at what needs to be done under the plan and how much is that going to cost and what funding sources might be available. There's been a fairly robust discussion about the shark fishery and that interaction I referred to. From the point of view of the Pelagic Fisheries Management Plan, there's extensive interest in the establishment of the large-scale marine protected area and what that means for both the fishery in Niue, but the conservation efforts being undertaken in Niue. Obviously, the capacity of the Niue Fisheries Administration is an issue. It's by Pacific Island standards, it's the smallest administration in the region, and so there are certain aspects of implementation that can be challenging. Fortunately, Niue has good association with the Government of New Zealand, who have been assisting in various areas, and also FFA has provided some assistance. But the international obligations that Niue has through its membership of the Western and Central Pacific Fisheries Commission are expanding, and just having the plan of action on sharks and updating the management plan will create additional obligations. So it's an ongoing challenge that won't go away for some time.
Ne whakahako ai he whainga ho whawhang matangi e tā whakaloanga uina atu, ke tau mamatua me tau pulotu ki loto he whalua tau whainga hoa kehe, ke lali ke asihake e tau māmanga hangau, ke whawhang matangi ka le mete, mua i hikianga he matangi. Puna mai ha koe kisianga ha he whainga hua, mai he tau whanoanga he tau maanga taki toko taha. Haha iai e manako he tau maanga ke whakalaulahi halau tolo a tau iloanga ke he tau mena nei. Taha wala ne mahuinga lahi ke whahaloanga nei, koe whakakisianga whakamua he ata kātuni ne kua whahingoa koe climate crab, ne kua whāni e minute he whakakisi ai. Ko whiawhia e tau mamatua ke kise ke ki whanga nei, tunga e taha matua whiwhine he motu ko mana sau whai taha langi.
Lahi whakau e ke lau toru tama kātuni, ne whakakisi ai e tau kātuni nei e mahuinga he tau hiki ki hanga he matangi. So ke tau kalahimu, ko whakakurikori ai e lau toru, ke lata ia mo e mga manga, ko e palapala, ko e matangi, ko e uhua, mga ahola ke iloa ai tau tangata, ko e pehena, e mahuinga he tau tama manu i kikia, ha ko taha foki e manu, ne whakaingoa e lau toru, ko e climate crab, ka ko hingoa ni, ai la whahingoa ia, ke tuku aki e tama manu kalahimu ia, ha ko tunga ni ka hae unga tau toru, kana kai la whahingoa ia, ke e ke muhingoa tu maua ia ke tau toru motu, si pihia hako kise ke tama kātuni lahi e furufuruala, he kātuni ia si loa iau, longa whoke tau tupe, ko whaki, ke tausa ke kātuni nei, mai lau tōru a tau feelers ka hako tau, mena ke tuku ki longa, ma ke kehe tau sangamata lau tōru, ke iloa ai mui e mau tōru, ko i pihia e hikianga he matangi, ke lata me tau motu Pasifika.
Oho, mo e hokulo e tau whakahaloanga nei mai he kisianga e tau tangata, whakapuloa tāla ki loto e whainga hua fuafuang matangi ko Robert Tungiamana, hanei whalua tau whamatalaanga hana.
E ua e matapatu whakau ne whakisi kei, ko e tuanga matangi ke wahanei, mo e tau mga hara ke whakawhamua ne whakaonga e tau matua e roto matara toi, ke mai ke lotoru, ke kisia ke lotoru e tau whakisi hanga ke hangau e ke matangi, ko e laha, mo e tau mga hara whoki katoa e toa wha. Si ko e tau whakakoanga ia ne le lauri e whahi fuafu matangi. Ke rio ki mai e tau puroto rata matara e tau matua e whakamua. Ke eke ia mo tāpiki mo e whakarolohi a whoki e tau whakakoanga whakasaintisi e ke nata ia mo e tau fuafuanga matangi e whainga hua. Si pia whoki ni ke kumikumi me whakamau ai ki loto e taha whakamauanga. Ke la taia mo ia tuhau anoia ke mai longa lo toru ko me na pehe e tau whakisianga he tau matua ne whakaonga e lo toru e tau whakisianga ia ke iloa e lo toru e tau mga hara toa wha iloa e lo toru e tau mga hara toa si iloa whoke e lo toru e tau mga hara ko mtaki ke la taia me toanga he tau fua mo e tau takawhanga i ke tau fia e se pieni ke e toa whakaonga osi e lo toru e tau puhara ia e waha whakamua ke munuina ia lo toru ke waha whakamua. Si ki tamno isi ia ne tola he mauinga ke hea mo tola tau kumkumianga, mo e tola mataianga ke lata ia mo e tau whakakoanga ke waha. Ke ua nimu e tau whakakoanga ia hako e tau mena mitaki, ke la lafi mai, ke lata ia mo e waha nei ke he tau mga nei. Si ki nei ia ne mauinga lahi ia e tau whakakoanga ia, ke lata ia mo e tau matua. Ke maa mea hoia. Si ki mene ne whiawhia mo e whakauenga ke tau matua whini, tau mutua taane, ha kua mai ke rotoru ke toro mai ki makini, ke goa e tau maanga whakarolohi, a rotoru ke lata ia mai tau whakakoanga ha koe e tau mutapatu whakau ia ne manako whoke tau tikitaki e tapuru e mou he laurangi ne kau whakataha ki ai whoke e mutu kuniwe, ke whakaoho e tau pohara mo tari toi. Ke lata mai tau mamui he tau tangata, ke mai longa mai loa whoke lo toru, ka eke kua mautari toi e tau tangata, kano ni ha kua mitaki e tau whakaroanga fofo matangi ne whai whoki, mo e utai ke he tau tangata, mai halo toru tau tau iloang. Kai ke kua uta tuai, mue ilo tuai e lo tolu, se mai ke mui lo tolu mue ke mautari tuai. Tālang mui to parana tuai e lo tolu ke pe, ui, ai mta gilahi e mga harai, hae ko fita e whakakisi mai ke lo tolu ke lo tuai, se mai ke lo tolu mue ke whakaonga e tau whairoanga e whafuang matangi, mo puhara ke mautari ke lo tolu, hae ke kua tupu e tau le kua whakatufunga sia. Koe tau tari he tau matua, fia ala he lo tolu ke tau whakakoanga e aho. Koe tau mena hea ne manako moi le lo tolu ke ai, haia ko whakakisi tuai e matua, ka koe matutaki anga ka hae ke whakatu mau e mamanga la tolu mo i loa tunga nea koe manake ka ke hangao te ke mangara toa wha. Ka si mai ke motoro ka hae ke whakaonga e tau tarawanga me tau manako e tau matua ke kumikumi me whakarola hea tu whoki ha motoro tau puhara ngahua ke mai ke tau se motoro e tau fufuanga matangi ne mua te muka ke iloa e lo tolu hae koe tau hae tau mena kua mai ke tutupu, si mai ke lo tolu mu ke loa. Koe tau mnau se hea kua whita he ngahua motoro ki ai, ke lata ia me tau mnabihia. So ke tunga rea ni whakese e tau, kai ke kua muka e puhara motoro, si hako mwe mawhisi woki, si mai ke mwe he tau matua ke mailonga lo tolu, ke mwe mautole lo tolu. Si tunga rea koe mngahara whae le hao tau tolu ke, whita whoki a motoro tonga hua he lari ke whatakataka, ke mautole ki whoki. Ke sea whoki e tau maha kamari, whai hiki anga whoka, whai puhara whoki ne lalafi motoro, ke tau information whai ota, ke iloanga tau matua, ka eke kua toa e mngahara wha, a ia whoki tau satellite imagery, koe weather map, koe tracking map, rei tau minao sia ni manaka tau matua ke sea, koe tau whakasino, koe tau minao na wha tuwha ka hae tau tracking map ke tau kaina ha, ka kai uka he whore tau matua ke tau se tau plotting lo tau, ka eke kua ute matua ka hae tau information, wha viru mea lo tau, ai hako na po ke whewhe na kō kua hoka e wharawhe, a kano ni kua uka lo tau ka hae ke mamu, so ki puhara mga boka ne tau se whangahua, mai ke tau se ni matua e plotting, e tracking map, tuku hake mga TV, si mai ke mga lo tau mga nofu me tu kaina mai nono e hako hoko te i hena ko e position e matangi mga nei e tori tora he mare porque ui tora he mare li tu hake foke mno fo aia to pohara mo muka e ki lo to ui ko satellite imagery ai ni ki sia e to menel foi moi fa hang si mai ke lo to nge ka no si mo muka ngi lo to aia ke to pohara mo muka e ndela le mo ke foka lo foke ke mo muka lo to ka hake no ai ke wifi TV mo e for to matua mai ke foke nge ke tau se le tio ke foka liu foka palangi mo whaniwe ke mai ke lo to nge ke mama foke mo muka foke e tau mamanga lo to.
A climate ready workshop was held at the Makini Hall last Thursday with the Meteorological Office, inviting elders of the community to inform them of concepts related to weather, climate and climate change. The consultation from Ridge to Reef meetings held nationwide where Met staff had attended and where the community members were highly interested in learning more about climate and climate change. The Met Office identified the need to respond by hosting this workshop at the Makini Hall to raise awareness and help educate the community to the climate ready. During the workshop, the Met Office launched the Climate Crab cartoon, which is intended on helping a greater audience in understanding climate change concepts such as El Nino and La Nina. The Met Office staff were overjoyed by the turnout and the great interest shown by the community members. Communications Officer for Met Office, Mr. Robert Tungiamana, said that the community's response and the launch of the video was well received on the day. It was important from the Met Office's perspective that correct, timely and easily comprehensible information is reached to the community and that it is maintained at all times. The ability for the cartoon to help disseminate such awareness and readiness messages play a critical role in helping the Met Office target a larger audience. The cartoon, translated into the Niuean language, which runs for 4 minutes, is made available for download. Ko whakaulu e whale whakafuakawa fōu ki whanokula ke he tā whakaloanga ku he whahe tapuka mole. Ke mau nei ko Adrian Woods e takitaki he whale whakafuakawa ne kua hahai lalo he matakau state-owned enterprises. Pea mai takitaki he mtakau SOE ko Wayne Harris Store ko whai mangaho e manako he whakatawhano ke hiki ke he mai e whale koloa whakafua kawa ke taha matakawi ne kua laulahi ke lata me te koloa he whahinga hua. Haha iai e whale koloa fōu ke he whale koloa fōu koe Swanson Supermarket. Ke whale fōu kua haha iai e tō whisinga hua ke lata me matakaunga hua whakalataha me takitaki. Ua e laulau tutongi he tau koloa taha e whale whakamomoko inu moe kua maeke ke kisia mitaki e tau koloa ne kua whakafua nā kaitunga he whale kawa tuai. Tā whoki e wāla he whale ne kua whakalaulahi kai ke he mga aho nei nā kai la mau pōpo e whale whakafua uaina me tau kai he tālanga ka kua amanaki ke mau pōpo tō hoko ke he matahiku he tau nei. The Niue Bond Store held an opening to the new shop located beside the Swanson Supermarket in Whanuakula. The relocation have been going on for the last couple of weeks, shifting their storage and stock to the new site. The Niue Bond Store is under the state-owned Enterprises Group and is managed by Adrian Woods. The new store is located next to the newly opened Swanson Supermarket, and Honourable Premier Sir Tokitalangi opened the store in a short ceremony last week. Tōlanga tau tangata ni kua hohoko atu ke he whanua ha halamahanga ke lata mo e tau aho whakatata. Kua whamatapatu e aho he maanga ke he tau lanu uli mo e kula. Kua fuluflua lama ke he kehe tau koloa ne kua whakafua he tau tangata mai he tau kailonga, tau wheua whakafiafia ke lata me tau whānau me tau mamatua, mai longa whoki e tau kōli fulufluala. Ko whakatata e tau talo whanga kehe, tau uwhi tau ka pia whoki me tau manu totolo tunga e tau unga. Ke he lalo whale he aonga tuai ko haha iai e tau kafu, tau pulo ke he mai longa tu whoki e tau mamatua whiwhine, ne ko whakatata ke lata moe aho mahuinga he maanga. Ko pehe takitaki maanga ko Robin Hekau, ko matalahi ia ke he tau ngā hua he matakau takitaki maanga, pia whoki me maanga ke he tolu e tau. O se tau whamatalanga he aho ko matutaki ke tau kōli whakawhiawhia, ma he tau mtakau fuata me tau whanau he maanga ha aliutu. People gathered at the Halamahanga grounds for the annual Alofi South Show Day. Last week, the village colours black and red decorated majority of the stalls on the day as well as the attire of the village council. According to Premier Sir Tokitalangi, that even though government have plans on building and renovating the buildings around the Halamahanga area and the field will always be available to be used for the Alofi South Aliutu Show Day. The village people showcased a variety of crops like taros, bananas, tapioca, and a number of coconut crabs under the marquee. And the women's weaving and sewing handicrafts decorated the Halamahanga shelter last week. The village council chairperson Robin Hekau said during his speech that he is proud of the achievements of the village council and the village for the last 3 years and looks forward to the village elections this month. After the formal speeches, the stage was given to the young people of the Alofi South for the entertainment section of the program to complete the day. And that is all of our news for tonight. Whakos mene hata tōlu a tau wala tālu tutupu ke lata ia mo paulia pōnei. Ke nono whā mo kia munui ne pō.